Next is the game flow. So for my program, first it will ask the player or the user for its input. So we have three options. So we have the play, the about the game, and the exit. For option 1, which is the play, so it will ask the user for its name. So after that, there will be two options that will prompt after. We have the adventure mode and the boss fight. Next is for option 2 about the game. So it will just print the mechanics and infos about the game. After that, it will just prompt again the options. Next is the option 3, the exit. So if you want to exit the game, you just choose the option number 3, and it will just the program or the game will just end. Next, we have the game modes, which is the adventure or the boss mode. So they are just the same, but they are different in some parts. But they have the same options, which is attack, heal, and run. So attack values are random. So maximum attack damage of the player is higher when it is in boss mode, and also the maximum HP and the maximum attack damage of bosses is also higher than of the enemy in the adventure mode. Now for the option attack, so of course in every attack the enemy will attacks in return. And also bosses have a chance to heal themselves every after attack. This is when you are in a boss mode. Next is there will be a chance of dropping a health potion every victory or every enemy is defeated. So higher drop chance is in boss mode. Next is the option run away, the last option. So chances of running away is higher in adventure but a random percentage. So to make it more difficult in boss mode, I intended to make it more lower chance to run away from bosses. Next, if you run away from the enemies, there will be two possible outcomes. That is successful escape and the failed escape. So next or first let's talk about the successful escape. So after successfully escaping from the enemy, it will prompt two options. So this is number 1, this is number 2. So continue fighting and exit the war zone. So if you wanted to continue to fight the enemies in your selected mode, so you just press or input number 1, and then you will just continue the fight or your adventure. Next, if you wanted to exit the game or exit the war zone or the mode that you are currently in, you have to input number 2. And after that, you will be prompted to the method that will ask you if you wanted to play again or not. Then, if you fail to escape from the enemy, so it will automatically defeated you. And then after that, it will prompt a play again method where you will be asked if you wanted to play again the game or not. So this is number 1, yes, and number 2, no. So that is, I think, for the game flow of my program.